Hi folks, welcome back. So guys, in this video I am going to review of Traffic Snipper and how the app can help us to make money with the affiliate marketing. So let's see and let's jump into the video without wasting any more time. So guys, I am on the computer screen and as you see, this is the landing page of Grab Snipper. So before I start this video, I know you are wondering for bonuses and you want to know what bonuses you will get after watching this video as well. So guys, I have very huge bonuses for you. Just see what the bonuses you get after watching this video right now. So guys, I have just created a free affiliate marketing course for you. You can learn how to do affiliate marketing with the help of zero investment, with the help of organic traffic. So I already shared everything what you want. I have shared everything in details. I have just created step-by-step formula for you so that you can understand everything easily and you can start your own affiliate marketing business with the help of organic traffic. If you just want to grab this opportunity, don't forget to go with my link which will be found in description box. Just go and grab it guys. So in number 2 guys, I have a very personal support for you. If you have any kind of doubt, you have any kind of experience to share with me, I am ready to help you. You can just come here and just click on this button, personal support. So I will be going to help you with my own strategies and I am going to help you in depth. So don't need to waste this time guys. This is a limited time offer and for a limited time guys. So just go and grab this opportunity. The link will be found in description box guys. So let's jump on the landing page. So this is a landing page of this is called and Traffic Snipper apps guys. So brand new revolutionary AI app plus system for 2021. In just a few minutes each day, 100% done for you. Instant affiliate system with a free buyer traffic from 1 billion visitors. So guys, here is the huge traffic for your affiliate marketing business guys. Don't need to purchase any kind of buyer traffic for you like solo ads, all this stuff. Don't need to purchase this kind of solo ads guys. No problem, you can just use this traffic source and you can make thousands of dollars. Just scroll down here, all the hook points of this what you are going to get in this software guys. Free buyer traffic, less than 60 seconds. Revolutionary app built in AI, artificial intelligence guys. This is completely based on AI guys. This is completely based on AI. Tap into secret top 1 billion targeted visitors to your affiliate products guys. 100% done for you commission system. Designed and made for beginners. This is the kindly if you are a beginner just go and watch this landing page and go and watch this demo video guys. Don't forget to go with my link, okay? And here is no experience required, no technical skills required, no monthly fees required guys. Achieve financial freedom, quit your jobs and all this stuff. And here is one more thing, you have a 60 days money back guarantee. If you go through my link, you can get 60-day money back guarantee guys. If you like this, just stay with it. If you don't like, just take your money back guys. This is a strategy, okay? Just here is a demo video, so I will play this later, but we can just scroll down and see how it looks like more. This groundbreaking viral buyer traffic app is making us thousands per day. So this is some of the results which are showing here. No problem guys, this is all the screenshots. So just we will scroll down here. This is all the testimonials of the users who are using this, and it works for both newbies and experienced marketers. No problem guys, if you are experienced marketer, no problem, you can use this. How to use this guys? Just 3 steps away from you. Instant viral buyer traffic. So step 1, click by the button secure your copy now. Second step guys, log in and enter your details into system. Third step, hit the built-in traffic switch and watch a tsunami of free traffic flood through your affiliate links guys. So you can just grab this opportunity guys. So if you just scroll down here, one more thing, are you struggling affiliate marketer or the online marketer? This is all the stuff you can read guys. So I am not wasting in this all the details guys. If you want, just go with the link which will be found in description box. Just go and watch this all data what you want. Don't need to create any ads, guys. You don't need to create any ads. The ads are made for you in inbuilt software, guys. So don't need to create any contents, guys. So everything is done for you here. All this stuff is done for you, guys. If you just come here, this is the ultimate artificial intelligence buyer traffic app. Traffic Snipper is 100% automated solution because on the top of built-in traffic from the very best source on the internet planet, guys. So all your magic money ads are automated and ready to go straight out the box. So you don't need to create any pages, don't need to create any funnels, images, landing pages, promotional surprises, no need. So all this stuff is made for you, all the done for you, guys. Just you need to just join this app and just promote your affiliate links, guys. So this is all the stuff, guys. If you just come here, scroll down, and you can see how it looks like and what is the main purpose to take these kind of traffic apps, guys. Here, what would you freedom for you mean? So guys, this is all the stuff, you no problem, you can read. Okay, so I directly jump into the introduction video, guys. So let's see what is the introduction video is telling about, guys. Just come here. So I will just click on this button. So let's get started.
Would you like to click one button to get free targeted buyer traffic on demand? If you answered yes, then I've got the perfect solution for you, because you're about to get your hands on a brand new artificial intelligence-based software that allows you to get free buyer traffic from some of the hottest traffic sources online. Introducing Traffic Sniper, the most powerful traffic app on the market today, and the tool that is responsible for us making thousands of dollars in online commissions every single day. Traffic Sniper is the perfect tool for anybody that wants to start succeeding online by getting free targeted buyer traffic, starting today. Using advanced artificial intelligence, Traffic Sniper does all the hard work for you to seek out only the very hungriest buyers from only the most in-demand traffic sources online, with just one single click. Use Traffic Sniper to send this buyer traffic to any of the magic money ads that we provide for you, which will be linked to your own personal instant profit link, which you'll find inside the software. Here's how it works. Step 1. Grab a copy before the price increases. Step 2. Log in and enter your details into the system. Finally, Step 3. Hit the built-in traffic switch and watch a tsunami of free traffic flood through your instant profit links. It's as easy as that. The software has been named Traffic Sniper for a reason. It identifies the most targeted traffic sources out there and pulls the trigger, because it uses revolutionary new artificial intelligence to tap into the mindset of the very hungriest of buyers, which means it brings you only the very best prospective customers, which means that you never need paid ads, and which means that conversions are proven to come 100 times faster. Below, you'll see actual results from beta testers, including complete beginners already crushing it with Traffic Sniper. Now, while we plan on charging at least $197 a month for this in the near future, you won't pay anywhere close to that today. When you act today, it's just a tiny one-time investment. You'll also get multiple custom bonuses to maximize your results. Bonuses that can catapult your campaigns into the stratosphere. These include even more free traffic apps and courses designed to help you succeed. And because we really want you to succeed, you're covered by our 24/7 customer support team, who will be on hand to answer any questions that you might have. To make your decision a complete no-brainer, your tiny investment's protected by our ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. Use the app to generate free buyer traffic for up to the first 2 months, completely risk-free. There's only one catch to get everything at this insanely low one-time cost. You need to act right now to take advantage of this launch deal. If you're ready for unlimited traffic from some of the hottest traffic sources online, which will completely change your life around starting today, then click below to lock in your discount immediately. Hurry, click the Add to Cart button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases. and we'll see you inside the members area.
So guys, as you seen a demo video of a traffic snipper. So those who are planning to take this traffic app, so just go with my link which will be found in description box, so that I can help you to grow your online business and I can help you to create your own affiliate marketing business, guys. So just go with my link which will be found in description box, so that you can take my personal support to grow your online business. And those who are not ready to take this app, so no problem guys, you can watch this video. So just thanks for that, and I have a huge bonus for you also, guys. No one can leave empty hands from this video, guys. So this is the crazy about me, no one can live with the empty hands. I have a bonus for you also. Just search in description box, you can find one more bonus is waiting for you, guys. Just go and grab those opportunities. So let's meet in next video.